Okay, imagine this. You're chilling on a beach, sipping coconut water, scrolling through Instagram, and boom, you just made money. No, it's not a scam or one of those get-rich-quick schemes. It's real, and it's called affiliate marketing. Welcome back to Empower Your Journey, where I focus on helping you achieve financial freedom while exploring the world. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how you can start affiliate marketing as a total beginner and actually make money while living your best life. And hey, stick around till the end, because I'm sharing the secret sauce to start earning even if you're still stuck at home. Ready to turn your wanderlust into cash? Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a simple way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products through special links. You earn a small percentage of the sale whenever someone clicks your link and buys something. For example, you could join Amazon's affiliate program and start promoting travel gear or tech gadgets. This is exactly what I do here at Empower Your Journey, promoting products that help you travel smarter while achieving financial freedom. That's simple. That's affiliate marketing. One of the biggest myths about affiliate marketing is that you need thousands of followers or tons of traffic to get started. Spoiler alert, you don't. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that even beginners with a small audience can apply to affiliate programs. Don't wait until you think you're big enough. Just go for it. Now let's talk numbers. The affiliate marketing industry is huge. It's worth over $17 billion globally and growing fast. On average, I say again, on average, affiliates earn around $1,000 to $10,000 a month, depending on the effort they put in and the platforms they use. I know people who earn $100,000 and more per month. So whether you have 10 followers or 10,000, there's definitely a piece of the pie for everyone. Let's break down 3 popular affiliate networks you can join today. Amazon Associates. Perfect for beginners, because Amazon has millions of products to promote. Whether it's travel gear or books, there's something for every niche. Impact. This one offers a broader range of products, including both physical and digital goods, and is great for lifestyle and tech niches. Share a sale. If you're into fashion, home decor, or even tech, this is a solid platform with various products to promote. To sign up, head to the affiliate network's website, fill in your details, and wait for approval. And here's a tip. Don't stress if your platform, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, isn't perfect. It just needs some content. The sooner you apply, the sooner you can start earning, so don't overthink it. This is a super important step. Don't just promote anything. You want to pick a niche that genuinely resonates with you and your audience. For example, on this channel, I focus on travel, financial freedom, and smart living. So naturally, the products I promote, like travel gear or digital tools, align with what my audience is interested in. Here's how to do it. Identify your passion. What are you knowledgeable about? What do you enjoy talking about? Travel, tech gadgets, lifestyle products, fitness. Look for high-quality products. Only promote items you believe in or have used yourself. Your audience will trust you more if you're authentic. Check the commission rates. Some products offer higher payouts than others. Digital products or services tend to offer better commissions than physical products. When I started affiliate marketing, I thought about choosing a trendy niche like AI or crypto, but it didn't feel right. Travel, though, that's my passion. By sticking to what I love, I was able to share real experiences and recommend products I genuinely used, like budget-friendly travel gear and books I read. This authenticity helped me build trust with my audience, and as a result, they were more likely to buy what I recommended. Picking a niche that truly connects with you helps your audience connect with you too. Once you've picked your products, the next step is getting those affiliate links in front of your audience. There are several ways to do this, but here are some of my favorite platforms. Blog. Your content doesn't have to be all product reviews. Focus on providing value around your niche. For example, If your niche is travel, you could write posts like budget travel tips or best gear for solo travelers, naturally weaving in affiliate links. The key is to create content that adds value and keeps your readers engaged. Pinterest. Don't sleep on this platform. It's an excellent tool for driving traffic. Create visually appealing pins that link back to your blog posts or product pages. Make sure your pins are consistent with your brand and niche. YouTube. Like this video. You can create content around your niche and include affiliate links in the description. Whether you're doing product tutorials, travel guides, or even lifestyle vlogs, it's a subtle way to introduce your audience to products that align with your content. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are great for quick product shoutouts. Just remember to disclose that it's an affiliate link, so your audience knows you're being transparent. Email marketing. Building an email list is one of the best ways to keep your audience engaged. You can share occasional offers and affiliate links through your emails. Keep the focus on offering value, not just pushing products, and you'll build trust. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use any of these techniques, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to create more detailed content to help you succeed. All right, so you're in the affiliate marketing game. Now let's talk about how to actually win at it. Because let's face it, we all want those commissions rolling in like a perfectly timed beach wave, right? First, be consistent. Listen, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your affiliate empire. You've got to show up. Post regularly, share your insights, and engage with your audience like they're your travel buddies. Don't expect to hit post once and be rolling in cash. It's a slow burn, but worth it. 2. Use multiple platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one platform basket. You want to be everywhere: blog, Pinterest, YouTube, social media. Think of it like traveling. Why visit just one city when you can see the whole country? The more places you are, the more chances to make money. 3. Create value. Nobody wants to feel like they're being sold to 24/7. Think of it like this: you wouldn't just shove random snacks at someone on a plane, right? You'd offer something they actually want, like noise-canceling headphones. So, focus on solving a problem or helping your audience reach a goal. That's what builds trust. 4. Track performance. You wouldn't fly without checking the flight path, right? Same goes here. Track what's working and what's flopping. Google Analytics, affiliate network tools, use them. You'll be able to see which of your affiliate links are soaring high and which ones need a little more runway. Now here's the best part. Affiliate marketing gives you the freedom to earn money while you travel. Imagine this. Whether you're exploring a new city or sitting at a beachside cafe, your affiliate links are working for you 24/7. This is what Empower Your Journey is all about, giving you the tools and strategies to travel smart, earn more, and live free. With affiliate marketing, you can take control of your income and make it work for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on financial freedom and budget-friendly travel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, check out the links in the description to get started with affiliate marketing today. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.